is Tyre.
To be here on the great occasion. I would say, Ralson tires having a great legacy in Indian market with almost 50 years of motorcycle bicycle tires, number one in India with bicycle tires over the last 2 decades. We are launching on this great occasion the commercial tire segment, which is manufactured from our 100% green steel facility which we set up in Indore, Pithampur area, and these tires are meant to be here for the next 100 years. That is what our aim, and to give the best of the best to the Indian global markets. Technology is the key here. We have introduced a lot of new technology into our tire manufacturing commercial tires. Number one is we have introduced nitrogen tuning facility. We are tuning the tires with nitrogen, which is a very latest technology. And we have our own special cooling compound. So we call it CCT. Special technology we have adopted, we have patented. So these tires will give longer life, much stability on the road and comfort to the drivers. And we are also giving extensive warranties based on the kind of new rubber technology we are using, compounding we are using. We are making tires very specific to specific applications and geographies. So already over the last 2 years, we have achieved deep penetration in global markets, in USA, in Europe, Latin America, Middle East. We have already opened our distribution channels in more than 50 countries, successfully tested and launched our products. And we have made very custom-made specific products for every market. So that is the uniqueness what we bring. And of course, the Indian manufacturing capabilities is another very important topic here. So we would like to be the part of, the great part of the Indian economy is to achieve the $5 trillion economy. We have to strengthen our manufacturing, we have to strengthen our exports, and that is where Ralson will play a very important role, along with the industry in India. So as India is a very important market, but India is a very big versatile market. We are launching now. We are already testing. We will be entering into stage by stage across India. That is the strategy for India. We have a very strong team represented by Mr. Bharat. And in international, I am responsible for the international market, and already over the last 2 years, we have very successfully entered in more than 50 countries, and the tires are performing, as good as a premium tire. So the idea here is you give a premium quality, premium technology product at an Indian affordable price. So that's the strategy.
So have you launched new?
So again, the journey has just begun. I would say that already in last 24 months, we have more than 250 SKUs launched. Only United States alone, we have more than 150 SKUs launched, and Europe and Middle East, Latin, now India, put together, we have more than 250 SKUs launched. That's a phenomenal job, for someone who is new to this commercial car segment. But I'm very sure that it's just the beginning. Yeah, so we will be full capacity by already April expansion. So once, it's a continuous process. As we sell, the number will come out. So the current capacity, the phase 1 capacity is 60,000 tons in terms of the rubber where the industry speaks, which amounts to 1 million plus tires. Now, how many will go to India or other markets is not we can say right now. But the idea is that yes, we want to be a significant player in this segment, and with all the achievement we already have in the last 24 months, we strongly believe that we'll make a mark in this segment. There is definitely a highway tire. For example, this is an on-off tire, used in construction, used in quarries, used in different applications. Now this is a proper highway drive tire. Then you have another, this is a drive tire. You have that is a steer and all position tire. So there are different applications, different position of the truck, and we right now have solution for most of the positions as well as applications. And as we said, we will be making customized solutions across. So we will be very happy to introduce continuously new products.
Senior Vice President International.
What is the Ralson's tire strategy of new policy and new maker tire company and other?
So again, Ralson has entered into this commercial tire segment as a new entrant. But we want to be a very significant player from India in the global market, considering the global political, geopolitical scenarios and economic situation. The global markets are looking at India to give effective solutions, and we would like to be a part of that journey, and we are already done some very good steps in this direction. And Ralson would be one of the important player from commercial tire segment from India.
What the policy of green regulation and policy for environment policy?
So sustainability is one of the key factors to set up 100% green facility. So we have implemented a lot of new technologies which will decrease the carbon footprint. Like I said, we have adopted nitrogen curing, which is actually you use very less water. Usually you use a lot of water to generate steam which cures the tire. But if you mix nitrogen, then the usage of water reduces by 90%. So you are saving a lot of water. So that is one of the great initiatives. And in the whole technology what we adopted, we also worked on reducing the scrap. Another very big carbon footprint comes from tire industry is the scrap generated by the industry. So today already we are at the lowest of the industry standard, and we want to minimize it in continuous process.
How many type of tire? How many type of tire?
So right now as
all manufacturing
in India?
All in India.
So in India you have the big four, and then you have Michelin, Bridgestone, like foreign manufacturers producing. So in truck tires, I think there are not more than 7 or 8 manufacturers.
Global market is target. Global market.
Global market. Yeah, so we have today already invested more than 2,000 crores into this project, and there is already the next level expansion we are working on. So I think Ralson is here to be for a long time. That's the aim.
Thank you.